So, figuring your door out. Here's my line. It's going to be 24 inches wide, and then it's going to come up 41 inches to here. So what I'm going to do is, if you got 24 inches, you measure 12, and then you got, here's your center line from here to here is 24 inches. So from here to here is 12. Then you're going to look at this like this. That right there is going to be your arch. Okay. You can make it a little bit bigger, but don't forget, back here you're going to have a piece of plywood that's going to go along here for your door to shut against and to have a gasket on. All right, here comes some radio cameras. We're going to go inside the little camper now. Try not to shake you up too bad. Okay, so let's pull this tape measure out. I know it's a rough ride right now. You're probably getting seasick, but you can see right here 6 inches, and I don't really want to be up against my ceiling. Headliner's going to be right here, so that's going to give me 1, 2, 3.5 inches, so that when I put my little bezel around here for the door to shut against and the gasket to be there, it's not going to be up against that. The worst thing you can do is get here where now you got to have that nice curved piece of wood like this. You got to cut some of it off to go up against the headliner. You don't want none of that. So let's go back out of the trailer. I'm going to put this back on the tripod. Here's what it is. Okay, so we know our roof studs are 2.5 inches long, which is right here is where your headliner is. Okay, and then when you're measuring out where you want your arc to be, there's my center between 24, so it's from here to here is 12. So I'll put this on here and run around like this. This will give me a perfect arc for my door. Now, that gives me that much room. So on the inside, you can imagine a piece of little skinny plywood that goes like this, for the door to shut against. That gives me a little bit of space in here. And if you're really good at math, you can scoop it up snugly against that and get you another 2 or 3 inches out of your door. But that should be adequate. As you can see right here, I open the door and I duck in there, it's not so bad. What you don't want is a really short door so you banging your head every time. Believe me, it gets old fast, and I had to have a knot removed from the top of my head from that, from one of the campers I did build. So you'll see once I get this cut out, I'll take a pool noodle and I'll slice it halfway through and I'll stick it up there in that arch so I won't be banging my head against it. Teardrop Camper 5x10. Da-da-da. Alright, thank you for watching.